To convert PDF to JPG on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open My Files app and then navigate to the folder where the PDF file you like to convert to JPG is in. Tap the PDF file to open it. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. Tap Save as File and then select Image File. Select the required folder where you want to save the JPG files. Tap Done button. If needed, you can rename the JPG file so you can easily manage them later. And then tap Save. By doing this, your phone will convert each page of the selected PDF file to JPG and then save each of the JPG file separately. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.